Hello everyone. Today we are going to continue our 2.5 exercise. In this one, in last video we have done till third. So today we are going to fourth one. So firstly we have to read the identity for this one. That identity is x plus y plus z whole square. Then identity is x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx. So this one now this one identity is used in these sums. So fourth one, expand each of the following using suitable identity. So we have to apply the identity here. Our sum is x plus 2y plus 4z whole square is there. So now we are going to apply x plus y plus z whole square identity. So x replace with x, y replace with 2y and z replace with 4z. ठीक है. So x square 2y square 4z square plus 2 into x into 2y plus 2 into 2y plus 4z into 4z plus 2 into 4z into x. So x square is x square, 2y square means 4y square, 4z square means 16z square, 2 into 2 4, 4xy, 2 into 2 into 4 that is 16 yz, 2 into 4 that is 8, 8xz. ठीक है बेटा. And in this one fourth one part also, fourth sum also, 1 by 4a minus 1 by 2b plus 1 whole square is there. Now here is minus is there, but we are using plus identity. We just carry the sign minus with the long. ठीक है. So on the place of x we can replace 1 by 4 a square, y replace with minus 1 by 2 b square b and z replace with 1. ठीक है. And next 2 into 1 by 4a into minus 1 by 2b plus 2 into minus 1 by 2b into 1 plus 2 into 1 into 1 by 4a. ठीक है. So 1 by 4a that become 1 by 16a square minus 1 by 2b square that become 1 by 4b square minus square that going to be plus 1 square that is 1 and here minus sign is there, so it become minus, plus minus minus, 2 can be cancelled with this, so 1 by 4 ab, here also minus and it's plus, so plus minus minus, 2 can be cancelled with it, so it's b and its 2 can be cancelled with it, so it's a plus 1 by 2a. ठीक है. Now see the fifth one, factorize. So factorize means, let's check. Equation is 4x square plus 9y square plus 16z square plus 12x minus 24yz minus 16xz. So we have to convert it x plus y plus z whole square identity. It means it's already expanded form and we have to go for the factorization. So here you can write 2x whole square, 3y whole square, 4z whole square. ठीक है. And here you can do the factorization 2 into 2x into 3y plus, but here is minus sign. So 2 into 3y into 4z and it's a 2 into 4z into 2x. And check in these two equations which variable is common. So z is common, it means z is of minus. In another if we are watching these, if we are checking the this one, it is a plus and it's minus, so not in this one z is the same, it means z variable is of the minus form, so we can write minus 4z here, minus 4z minus 4z. ठीक है. So now if we are comparing, it's a x square, it's a y square, it's a z square, it's 2xy, 2yz, 2zx. ठीक है. So we can write x plus y plus z whole square, it means 2x plus 3y plus 4 into minus plus minus 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 4z whole square is there. ठीक है. Now see the next one identity, that is x plus y whole cube. X plus y whole cube, that is identity x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y, or whenever we are opening these bracket also, so x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square. ठीक है. and x minus y whole cube, minus is there, so x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. So whenever we are opening this bracket, so x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3x y square. ठीक है. So the next one, sixth one, write the following cubes in expanded form. So here we have to apply cubic identity. So 2x plus 1 whole cube plus identity, we have to follow this one identity, x plus y whole cube. So it means x can replace with 2x and y can replace with 1. So 2x cube plus 1 cube plus 3 into 2x square into 1 plus 3 2x into 1 square. ठीक है. So 2x cube, that is 8x cube, 1 cube is 1 cube. Firstly 2x square, that is 4x square, 4 into 3 12, so 12x square plus 1 square is 1, so 2 into 3 into 2x, that is 6x. So our answer is 8x cube plus 1 plus 12x square plus 6. ठीक है. In second sum of this one part, x minus 2 by 3 y whole cube. So now x can remain same and y replaced with 2 by 3 y. So x cube minus 2 by 3 y cube minus 3 into x square into 2 by 3 y plus 3 into x into 2 by 3 y. ठीक है. So x cube is x cube minus 2 cube, that is 8, and 3 cube, that is 27. So 8 by 27 y cube. Now x square as it is, y as it is, 3 can be cancelled with it, so it's a 2 x square y, and 3 can be cancelled here, but firstly we are going to square, so it's become 4 by 9, after that 3 can be cancelled with 1 3, so it means 4 by 3 x y square. ठीक है. Now see the next one. हाँ जी बेटा. In 7th, evaluate the following using suitable identity. So आपने आइडेंटिटी लगानी है अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट. लाइक हेयर क्यूबिक इज देयर, इट मीन क्यूब आइडेंटिटी वी हैव टू अप्लाई. फर्स्टली 99 वी कैन राइट 100 minus 1. ठीक है. सो 99 वी कैन राइट 100 minus 1 क्यूब. सो इट मीन x minus y whole cube आइडेंटिटी वी कैन अप्लाई. सो x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3x y square. So 100 cube minus 1 cube minus 3 into 100 square into 1 plus 3 into 100 into 1 square. ठीक है. So 100 cube, that become 10 lakh. 1 cube. Firstly 100 square, that is 10,000 into 3 30,000 plus 1 square, that is 1, and 3 into 100 300. So firstly 10 lakh plus 300, that is 10 lakh 300, and minus 1 and minus 30,000, that become 30,001. After that we can go for the minus, and this is our answer. So other one also you have to do the same. ठीक है. Now see the next one, 8th one. Factorize each of the following. So आपने factorization करनी है. Let's check. Already it's a expanded form. Now we have to see कि which identity it can be. Like 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square plus 6ab. So 8 can be cube of 2. So 2a cube plus b cube plus it can be factorized like that, 3 into 2a square into b and 3 into 2a into b square. So it's a x square, it's a b square, it's a 3a square b, 3ab square. So we can write in bracket form, it means 2a plus b whole cube is there. ठीक है. And the one more part of this one, 27p cube minus 1 by 216, 1 over 216 minus 9 by 2p square plus 1 by 4p. So firstly 27 is a cube of 3. So it means we can write 3p cube minus 216, that is a cube of 6. So 1 by 6 cube is there, minus 3 into 3p square into 1 by 6. If we are doing cancellation, then same form we are getting. And plus 3 into 3p into 1 by 6 p whole square is there, and whenever we have to go for the solvation of this one term, then we get the same. It means it's a x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square. So it means now we can write in the bracket form 3p minus 1 by 6 whole cube. It means x cube minus y cube whole cube is there. ठीक है. So rest one part you have to complete.